Domain, website, logo, InterNACHI profile, Google Business Profile, and InterNACHI listing. Get a domain for your business. Well, what's a domain? Well, a domain is like yourcompany.com, nachi.org, bigbeninspections.com. These are all domains, and you need a domain for your website. The domain points people to visit your website. Where do you go to get a domain? Easy. Type in domains.google into your website browser, domains.google. Okay, that's once. Get a domain. Next, get a website, one that is designed by home inspectors to convert website visitors into clients by incorporating all the top features that every inspector website should have, including a lead capturing download, a Call Me Now button, online scheduling, inspector search SEO, and performance analytics. And don't get a fancy, expensive website that looks great, but doesn't actually make you any money. I get it. A fancy website for $1,000 looks awesome. It looks really great. But you know it's not actually working and making money like it should. And it's costing you every month a lot of money by this big company that isn't owned by inspectors and really shouldn't be designing inspector websites. Where do you go to get a great, affordable inspector website fast? nachi.org/website. Okay, that's one, domain. Two, website. Now you have a website that's designed to make you money. And you have a domain, and it points to your website. The website design company will connect your domain to your website. Okay, no problem. Next, 3, get a logo. Get a new inspection business logo designed by InterNACHI's marketing team at nachi.org/marketing. Just order an affordable box of business cards from them, which includes all of the design work on your new business logo and your business cards and all of your print marketing. All the design work is free. Just place an order. Then you take that logo and add it to your website. So now you've got a domain, you've got a website, you've got a logo. 4, update your InterNACHI profile to get new clients. InterNACHI will generate new inspection job leads, new clients for you for free, but you have to enter a business website address into your InterNACHI profile. Just log into nachi.org as a member and click your profile. So now we have 1, a domain, a website, a logo, a website that's in your InterNACHI profile. 5, get a Google business profile, and that's free. Visit google.com/business and follow the step-by-step process of having Google verify your inspection business online, including the mailing address, your phone number, your website address, and this is critical to showing up on Google searches. You can't show up on a Google search without doing this, so do it. And if you need help, guess who can help you? InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs at nachi.org/website. So far, 1, a domain. 2, a website. 3, logo. 4, InterNACHI profile. 5, Google business profile. And there's one last step. Ready? 6, add up to 10 listings, zip codes or postal codes, in your InterNACHI profile. Again, log into InterNACHI as a member, go to your profile, click listings, and add up to 10 service areas. Now you'll be on Google Maps. That's another critical step to getting found when a person is Google searching for a home inspector in their area. 1, domain. 2, website. 3, logo. 4, InterNACHI profile. 5, Google business profile. And 6, InterNACHI map listings. Again, who can help you with all of this? InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs at nachi.org/website. Go there now, download a step-by-step guide, and visit nachi.org/website.